What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today, finally, I am bringing to you the second part of the beginner's guide, teaching you how to better recognize and identify chart patterns. I personally believe that this is one of the most important skills that you have to learn in the beginning of your journey. If you want to become a successful trader guys, let's start then with chart patterns, and then from here on the next videos I can bring for you, for example, how to properly put your stop loss, risk management and all these things. But let's start here. This video is the second part of this guide, so if you haven't watched the first one, you can click right here, go watch the first one. If you have already watched the first one, don't forget to smash the like button and stick with me until the end of this video. Let's start this video guys talking about a very common pattern that always we are seeing this pattern here on the price section of all these altcoins that we have on the crypto market, called head and shoulders. This pattern can be bullish and it can be bearish as well, depending on where and how it is going to be placed. It is going to be plotted on the chart. Let's start with the bearish one guys, the one that we are going to find on the top of a bull trend. As the name says, we are going to have a head and two shoulders. There we go. Here we're going to have a shoulder, another shoulder, and a head in the middle. The most important thing here is the neckline, is this level of support here that supported the price action all these times right here. In the moment that we break this neckline here to the downside guys, we are activating the pattern. Target for this one is calculated using the height of this pattern, so from the tip of the head here to the neckline. All this height here would be guys our target projected from the moment of the breakout here, so which means that we could expect the price to come down at least to this level right here. And the bullish one is going to be pretty much the same thing but inverted, so we are going to have this one at the bottom here of the leg to the downside. The neckline is right there. In the moment that we are going to break the neckline to the upside, we calculate the height of the pattern, we project it from the moment of the breakout, and we have our target right there. Cup and handle guys, this one also indicates reversion, and we are going to see this, the bearish one on the top of a bull trend and the bullish one on the bottom of a bear trend. If you are subscribed here on this channel already guys, we are having this pattern right now on the weekly time frame of Bitcoin. Of course, maybe you are not subscribed yet, so let me explain you right now very quickly, very simple. We are going to basically have a round bottom like this, which would be our cup, and then from this point we would have a small retraction like this, forming our handle. The idea here guys is basically the same. We are also going to have a neckline right here. Once we break this neckline, which is our resistance to the upside, we would be activating the pattern, and the target for this one is also the height of the pattern from the neckline until the base of it, like this. So we take this and project from the moment of the breakout. There we go. Up here we have our target. The bearish one would be on the top of the trend, but the same thing basically. We would have our round top, our cup right here, and then from this point we would have our handle. The neckline is right here, and breaking this to the downside, we are activating the pattern. The target from the top to the neckline, this height here projected from this point, our target would be all the way down to this level. The bump and run pattern guys, we are going to see, for example, the price action going to the upside, forming higher highs and higher lows, respecting the level of this ascending support right here. And then from this point we would have a greater rally to the upside like this, until we come down once more and break the support to the downside, activating the pattern. This is of course the bearish one, and the target is calculated from the tip here until the support level. We take this, project here from the moment of the breakout, we could expect the price action to come down to this level. And the bullish one, you understood already, is basically the same thing but to the other side. The price is going down, 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 respecting the level of this resistance. We are going to have a greater leg to the downside until we break this to the upside, activating our pattern, the target from here to the resistance. We project it from the moment of the breakout. There we go. we could expect the price to come all the way up to this level at least. And the last one, guys, before I go, the rectangular pattern, guys. Yes, this pattern is also very common and you can make a lot of money out of this pattern. I am going to teach you how right now. For this pattern, of course, we are going to have the price action coming from one of the sides and it is going to be trapped inside this rectangular zone. So let's say it's coming from the downside like this. We are going up, going up, going up until we hit the top of this rectangle, go back down to the bottom of it. We are going to be trapped, like I said already, many times here, bouncing in between the support and resistance. We don't know how long we are going to be trapped here, guys. Coming down again, up once more. Once we break it to one of the sides, guys, let's say for example we are going to break the resistance to the upside, then we expect the continuation to the upside. And the target, as you understood, as almost everything, you take the height of the pattern right here and project from this moment. But this is not the most important thing here on this pattern. The most important things here are the chances that this pattern gives you to trade even inside the pattern. Because for example, you have to agree with me that this place right here is a very good position to open short positions, while the bottom of this rectangle is a very good place to open some long positions. Yes, guys, when we are having, let's say for example this time here, you open the short position right here and the price action broke to the upside, you missed this trade, you were stopped out. Yes, but pay attention, we just break it to the upside once. How many times we were rejected from this level? Here on this example only 3, guys, but actually we can have many more failed breakout to the upside here, many more rejections, and you would have been profitable all these other times, guys, when you shorted from this point, when you longed from here, when you longed from here, and you longed from here. And yes, when it finally eventually breaks to one of the sides, you are going to be stopped out, but with a very tight stop loss, guys. Let's say here, for example, we are coming to the downside here, and at this point here, you want to open this long position based on this. You are going to place your stop loss, guys, slightly below this previous candles right here, guys. So if you would be stopped out, you would be losing only this. And if you are going to hit your target, you are going to be winning all this movement. So you're risking this to maybe win this. And as I said already, but just to be clear, I want to emphasize this here. The majority of the time we are going to be rejected. Rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, rejected, 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 only once we broke it to the upside. So it means majority of the time you would be making money, making money, making money, making money, making money, and then eventually you would have a minimal loss. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. If you found some value on this content, also I ask you, don't forget to share this with your friends, because if this video was valuable to you, of course it is also going to be to your friend. Any questions, suggestion, guys, you can use the comment section to talk with me. I will be responding every single person, every single one of you. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here until the end of this video. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!